don't drop songs in it.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dion, back again with another video. So today we're simply just going to be making a beat for my favorite artist of all time, Burna Boy. So first, as you can see, I have an electric piano here from Large Lizard on the Rhodes preset. We're gonna be making this beat at 98 BPM, and this is like a hotspot for Burna Boy type beats because like you can't go wrong with this BPM. For now, I'm just actually gonna try and figure out the bass notes. Just so I can build chords of that as usual. So we're in the key of G minor. So I'm just gonna play around until I find something I like. Yeah, I like this. So one thing I'm gonna do is Alt X to lower the volume, and then I'm gonna knock it down an octave with Control down, Control C and Control V and Control up to copy and paste and move it up an octave, and then Shift up to move it by semitone. So now I'm just gonna add a middle notes just to make thread chords. Yeah, I like that, but to make it a little bit more darker, I'm gonna lower this volume, Alt X to lower the volume, and then Alt R to randomize the velocities. Okay, and to make it a little bit more darker, I'm gonna transpose some notes. So this G is gonna come down. Yeah, I like that. This last chord, I'm gonna move this one up an octave. Yeah, I feel it will be alright. So strum, Alt S to strum. Yes, definitely what I'm going for. So I'm gonna copy that same chord progression and paste it in the preset from Morphing. It's a stock plugin. It's known as a hub. So I'm just gonna paste the same chords, but I'm gonna move them so they play a different rhythm. Just gonna move them a little bit further. Yeah, I like that. So next thing, we're gonna copy that same chord progression into this paired from Toxic Biohazard, and again, this is a stock plugin as well. Control up. Yeah, I like that. So after some time of playing around, I then came up with this jazz guitar melody, and this is to complement the rest of the melody. Yeah, pretty vibey. And I also added actually the bass. And the bass, I'm using a Classic 80. This is as well a stock plugin. Sounds like this. And how I got it is I simply came to packs and then went to instrument and then went to bass, and then there's a classic 80 exactly down there. There's actually a bunch of plugins here which are actually great sounding. Yeah, and as you can see, it's following the chords. And the one thing I like about this bass is it has that realistic feel to it. So yeah, that's basically it. So I actually went online. After some time, after some digging and digging, I actually found this saxophone loop. So I'm actually gonna play it. Sounds like this. One thing I like about it, it's dry. It actually has no effect. So I actually transposed it to the right key as the chords, and I actually just cut out these parts which I actually liked. They sound like this. The first thing is actually a limiter just to tame some frequencies, and then the next one is a parametric EQ just to shape it a little bit more to the beat, and then I added a reverb and added this decay thing. The decay is very important, it makes it a little bit larger. And then the next thing, I added a chorus weirdly, and then added a pancake just to pan it left and right, and this gave it the effect I was going for. Yeah, pretty vibey. So I added the drums before I explain them and actually break them down. I would just like to play them. They sound like this. So the first thing I came in with is this shaker loop. I actually made this shaker loop myself. Sounds like this. Actually looks like this, but I'm just gonna keep it down there. So it sounds like this. Yeah, and the next thing I'm gonna add is actually a wood block kind of thing. It's a perk loop, and it has this swing. Amazing. Sounds like this. Yeah, so the next thing I then added was simply the rim shots. I combined different rim shots just to achieve a unique bounce to them. They sound like this. Together with the beat. Alone, they actually sound like this. Next thing I added was these congas, which were played live. They actually sound like this on their own. Yeah, pretty vibey. I liked it, but I wanted to chop it up so it matches the rest of the percussion. One thing I actually felt was missing was just a little bit more conga, you know, congas and bongas and all that stuff. Just due to the fact that these Burna Boy type beats, they actually come with a lot of that. So just to achieve something realistic, I then added about 5 different this type of percussions, which then led to more bounce of the drums. So alone they sound like this. It kind of sounds stupid alone, but if you play it with the whole drums, it sounds fire. So I'm just gonna pan this one a little bit to the left, and then the next one I'm gonna pan it a little bit to the right, just to give it movement. Yeah, so the next thing I then added is simply this kick, which is the only element of the drums I didn't take from my pack. The 1K pack I'll be dropping once I hit 1K, so if you're new to the channel, please hit that sub button. Yeah, pretty vibey. So drums alone then sound like this. Yeah, it really gives that Burna Boy type feeling, you know. And how I achieve this sound is simply by selecting sounds that go along together. I made a quick arrangement of the beat, so please like, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will still trying to hit 1K before the end of this year, hopefully. So here's the finished beat. Peace out, see you in the next one.
Drop songs and